So just walking around the corner, I see this beautiful church over here, and there's one thing that caught my eye immediately. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna open up my camera app here. I'm on my 1X, and this one flower from all the way down on the street here just kind of poked its head out. And that's the beauty of this. Just the fact that that one flower caught my eye from all the way down there and made me want to jump up here, grab my phone, and see if I can create something. The ability to deeply appreciate a scene to the point where you can be completely arrested, stop in your tracks because of one flower, I think that's the whole point of this in the first place. Okay, so now let's actually try and create something here. Here's a bad photo. Perfect, we got that out of the way. 1X is not gonna work, and here's why. What's my subject? My subject is a flower, right? It's not this incredibly beautiful scene, incredibly colorful alley. It's this flower. If not 100% of the time, people are gonna say the flower is your subject. Clean up your composition. The photo is not effective. Just think about that. So if we define what our subject is here, that's the flower. This is not working because the sky is way too bright. If you want your subject to stand out, you have to think about how your viewers will see an image. Their eyes will go to the brightest part of the frame, the largest part of the frame, whatever's the sharpest part of the image. All these things we can work to our advantage. One of the go-to ways to do that is simply make it larger. I can do that just by clicking 2.5. Just by filling the frame with that subject, I'm already making it stand out. If I remove that bright part of the frame, simply by moving, I'm just tilting my hand. It's just that simple. You identify your subject. Ask yourself, even before you take the image, what's my subject? And then we can talk about composition. Then we can talk about lens choice. Then we can talk about what we need to do, where we need to stand, what choices we need to make that subject stand out. Now let's talk about the rest of the frame here. It's very busy, isn't it? Even though the flower is the largest, it's the most prominent, it's still just a little bit too busy of a scene. What's going on the top of the frame here? That's not helping me at all. Now, I can clean this up more by coming out just a little bit and then pinching to zoom in. And the more I zoom, the cleaner my composition. Now I can just swing my arms around and get this shot here. And just by moving my arms, look how drastic of a difference this shot is. All I'm doing is changing my background. We never consider our backgrounds enough, only just paying attention to our foregrounds. Another way I can try this is by rotating vertically. If I rotate vertically, now I'm cutting off more information. Choosing a vertical composition is gonna fill more of the frame with the subject, making it more prominent. So if I really wanna make this flower stand out, I think this is a church telling me, maybe you should be using the church. I still want to clean it up a little bit, and I think I can do that by stepping back a little bit and just pinching to zoom in, and all I want to do is fill the frame. Now if I get really close, I can isolate this one flower against this beautiful yellow wall here. And I think that makes for the cleanest composition. That's the difference between an image that anyone would get, a snapshot, and actually making and creating a beautiful photograph. Is identifying the beauty and capturing it in a way that really showcases it. That's a subject, that's a photograph, not a snapshot. Let's move on. This video was a free preview of my Capture It All online course. In this course, you'll discover how to use your iPhone to literally capture everything that's happening around you. We'll talk about composition, storytelling, timing, photographing people, recording videos, time lapses, flying a drone, and so much more. If you'd like to use your iPhone to its fullest potential, please take a look at the full version of Capture It All. You'll find the link in the description right next to this video. So click on that link right now and I'll see you inside the full version of the course.